Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IntoTheBlock for on-chain metrics, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the IntoTheBlock website by entering the URL into your web browser. On the home page, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you can either enter your email address and password if you already have an account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. If you do not have an account, return to the home page. Find the Sign Up button and click on it to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and password. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Complete the sign-up process by clicking on the Create Account button. Once registered, check your email for a verification link and click it to verify your account. Return to the IntoTheBlock login page. Enter your email and password, then click on the Sign In button again. After successful login, you will be taken to your dashboard. Explore the various sections available for on-chain metrics and insights. Use the search bar to find specific cryptocurrencies or metrics that interest you. Familiarize yourself with the different tools and features offered on the platform. If needed, consult the help section for tutorials and guides on using the platform effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.